Hey everybody, I'd like to show you my new Echo Show that's just been introduced by Amazon. Been out for a couple of days. We'll get an unboxing here. And I've already got Echo Dots. I've got 5 Echo Dots. And the main reason I went with the Echo Show is so I can get video on the Echo Show from my Ring doorbell and my Ring Spotlight cam. So let's open this up and see what we got. And there it is. About the size of a cell phone. 5-inch screen, about a little bit bigger than that. That's why they're calling it the Echo Show 5. Comes in white or charcoal. I've got the charcoal here. On the top we've got the mute button, the volumes, and opening and closing the camera shutter. Bottom is the speaker here. It's got a rubber pad here on the bottom, kind of a no-slip pad. And back here we have our power, a USB port, and a stereo plug jack for going into other speakers. Got our instructions. And our plug. And that is the same plug that comes with the Echo Dots 3rd generation, if you have any of those. So let's plug her in and see what happens. The Echo Dots were real easy to set up. They almost set themselves up, but you did have to use your app on the cell phone to set it up. I believe with this, it's all set up right on the display screen.
Hello. Ready for setup.
And type in the password. and our Amazon account. And this one's going in the bedroom. And installing updates.
Updating this device.
And we'll come back when it's done. And it's done updating. That took about 10 minutes to download and update.
Hi, we're glad you're here. It's time to get you and your Echo Show 5 off and running. Here are 3 things to try first. Number 1, use your voice. You could say something like, Alexa, play happy music.
Okay, here's a station you might like. 80s pop on Amazon Music.
Number 2, try using the touchscreen. Number 3, choose your perfect clock face. To get started, say, Alexa, customize my clock. This is just the beginning of things you can do with your Echo Show 5. For more things to try, just ask, Alexa, what can I say? Welcome to your new Echo Show 5.
This device is ready.
And that's it for the setup. Now this first screen toggles through different things. It'll show you different things that you can do or kind of what's coming up. See, we got to a smaller clock, our temperature. We're in a thunderstorm right now. get to your main settings, drag down. You got your brightness here, the home screen. Press on there for your settings. Bluetooth, network, display, sounds. And back to our home screen. Swiping this direction, get into more things that you can set. So now everything is all set up, ready to go. Pretty easy setup, as you saw. And as I mentioned, the main reason I was getting the Echo Show was to show my two security cameras. Alexa, show me the front door.
Okay.
And that's from my Ring doorbell. Alexa, stop. Alexa, show me the backyard.
Okay.
And there's the shot of the backyard. Alexa, stop. And if you already have an Echo device, you know some of the things you do, but quick little rundown for some of you that don't have an Echo already. You can see what you can do with this. First of all, this is my Ring security security system up here, and I could arm that with it. Alexa, arm Ring for home.
Ring is armed in stay mode. You have 30 seconds to exit.
And then I do get alerts on the Echo Show if something happens, the door is opened or there's motion detected.
Home and armed.
Alexa, disarm Ring.
What's your voice code for Ring?
Disarmed.
Ring is disarmed.
And a few other things. Alexa, what's the weather?
Right now in Oshkosh, it's 69 degrees Fahrenheit with showers. Today's forecast has lots of clouds and thunderstorms, with a high of 82 degrees and a low of 69 degrees.
Alexa, set a timer for 20 seconds.
20 seconds, starting now.
Alexa, stop. Alexa, what's on my calendar for July 20th?
On Saturday, July 20th, there is one event. There's a which lasts all day.
Alexa, home. And I can also control my Hue lighting system. I can't really show you it because the lights I have on in here are not connected. But all I need to say is, Alexa, turn on the bedroom.
Okay.
And you can see it turned on the light up in the bedroom. Alexa, home.
That's not supported on this device.
Alexa, home. It was actually one of my other Echo Dots that picked up instead of the Echo Show. And there's tons of other things to do, including playing music, getting news. Alexa, show me my news briefing.
Stephen, here's what's new. From ABC News, here are your latest headlines.
From ABC News, I'm Chuck Severson. Pride parades on a half-century anniversary are happening right now in cities across the U.S. and beyond. This one in New York. Chicago, San Francisco, and Seattle will also host parades commemorating the 50th anniversary of the night members of the gay community fought back against police raids outside the Stonewall Inn in Lower
Alexa,
Manhattan.
stop. So that's it for the Echo Show. And the only thing better than the Echo Show is 2 Echo Shows. I've got one for downstairs, one for up in my bedroom. So if I get an alert that there's motion at my front door or back door, I can bring up the camera and see what's going on. I really like it. That's why I say I've got 5 Echo Dots and now 2 Echo Shows. So I've got my whole house covered, and I've been really enjoying it. Hope you found this video helpful. Stay tuned for a video coming up on my security system that'll be posted soon. Thanks for watching.